This is my Italian bread recipe, doubled, so 2 tablespoons of yeast, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it all up, 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salt, 5 cups of flour. Mix on slow and then on a higher gear. Place flour under your bowl and on top. Cover and wait about an hour till it rises. Lift up your dough and cut deep on an angle. Make any designs you wish with a sharp knife. Bake at a 400-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes. For your onion soup, 1/3 cup of melted butter. Slice up about 6 yellow onions and keep some of the middle of the onion for decoration. Saute till caramelized. Add 1 cup of boiling water with consommé and add about a half a can of beer.